Hi guys! Today, we are going to talk about common monomial factoring. So, paano ba natin to ginagawa? First, we have to identify the greatest common monomial factor or yung tinatawag nating GCMF. Ulit, greatest common monomial factor or ito yung pinakamataas or yung pinakamalaking factor na common dun sa mga terms na binigay sa atin. So, paano ba natin siya isa-solve? Una, you just have to check the numerical coefficients. I-check muna natin yung mga numerical coefficients ha. We have here 4 and 8. Ano kaya yung pinakamataas na factor ni 4 na factor din ni 8? Dapat factor nilang pareho ha. O, let's identify muna. Ano-ano ba mga factors ni 4? Meron tayong 1 kasi 1 times 4. Meron din tayong 2 kasi 2 times 2. And meron din tayong 4 kasi 1 times 4 is 4. How about for 8? Ano-ano ang factors ni 8? Pwedeng 1, yeah, kasi 1 times 8. Pwede rin 2, kasi 2 times 4. Also yung 4, kasi 2 times 4 is 8. And also yung sarili niya, 8. Now, looking at the factors, ano kaya yung pinakamataas na factor na common sa kanilang dalawa? So, ano? O, kitang-kita naman, di ba? It's 4. Okay? So, the greatest common factor of 4 and 8 is 4. Okay? Now, after that, punta naman tayo sa literal coefficients. Let's check x and y. May common ba sa kanilang dalawa? Wala. Kung wala, it's time na to get the other factor. Okay, paano natin kukunin? By dividing each terms with our greatest common monomial factor. So, paano ba natin siya gagawin? So, kunin muna natin si 4x. So, si 4x, i-divide natin siya by our GCMF, which is 4. So, 4 divided by 4, 1 lang siya. So, ang matitira lang dito ay x. So, you have x. Okay, nakakasunod. How about the second term? Positive 8y. So, 8y divided by our GCMF, which is 4. So, 8 divided by 4, that's 2. Eh, may y ka pa dyan, so you have 2y. Since this is positive, so we have plus 2y. So, this is the answer for number 1. Okay, nakakasunod ba? Okay, kung may questions kayo, i-comment yan sa ating comment section ha. Or pwede nyo rin akong i-message na mga tanong nyo. Let's try gawa ng mga tutorial, yung mga naguguluhan kayong topics sa math. O, let's have here now, for number 2, 5a plus 5b. So, let's check the numerical coefficients. So, meron tayong 5 and 5. Obviously, dahil pareho sila, okay, the greatest common factor of 5 and 5 is correct, 5 din. Kasi di ba 1 times 5 and 1 times 5 lang naman yan. So, we have a 5. Now, may common ba sa ating literal coefficient na A and B? Wala din. So, obviously, we're going to get the other factor by dividing each term with our GCMF na 5. So, we have here 5A over 5. So, 5a divided by 5, cancel mo to kasi 1 lang naman siya. So, ang matitira na lang dyan ay a. So, you have here a. And then, dito naman, 5b. So, 5b divided by 5. So, 5 divided by 5, you have there 1. So, ang matitira na lang b. So, dahil positive yan, so plus b. Okay? So, this is now the answer for number 2. Now, let's go for number 3. So, we have here 3 and 6. Okay? So, ano ang common factor ni 3 and 6? If we are going to get the factor of 3, meron ka dyang 1 and 3. Okay? Kay 6 naman, meron kang 1, 2, 3, at 6. Pero, ano kaya yung pinakamataas na factor na common kay 3 at 6? Obviously, we have 3. Okay? So, we get 3. Now, remember this mga anak ha. Kapag kayo ay nasa literal coefficients and you see na may common sa kanila, katulad nito, x cubed and x. So, ang common sa kanila ay x. You get the smallest exponent. Okay? Ito, ang exponent nito ay 3. Ito, ang exponent nito ay 1. So, ang clue nyo doon, yung smallest exponent, yung kukunin nyo. So, you're going to get etong x lang. Okay? And now we can get the other factor. Okay, let's see. So we have here 3x raised to 3, yung first term muna, divided by our GCMF, which is 3x. So 3 divided by 3, 1 na lang siya. And then we have here 3, and then yung invisible 1. Ano bang ginagawa natin dyan? We are subtracting, di ba? Kasi division to. So 3 minus 1, you will have here x raised to 2. So, you will have x raised to 2. Okay? Plus, okay? This one is 6x divided by 3x. 6 divided by 3, you have 2. Then, x divided by x, diba? 1 minus 1, 0 na lang siya. So, ang matitira na lang ay 2. Okay, so this is now your answer for number 3. How about the last one? Now, let's try how we have there 5m squared plus 10m plus 35. So we look at the numerical coefficients of 5, 10, 35. O dyan pa lang, di ba, we can identify what is the greatest common factor of 5, 10, and 35. That is obviously correct, 5, di ba? Okay, now, we look at the literal coefficients, m squared, m, pero ito wala siya. So, obviously, m is not part of the greatest common monomial factor, ha? Kasi, dun sa third term, wala siyang m. So, you cannot get yung m, okay? Now, let's try to get the other factors. So, we divide this one by our GCMF. 5m squared divided by 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, matitira na lang dyan m squared. So, you have m squared. Okay? And then, 10m divided by 5. Okay? So, 10 divided by 5, that's 2m. So, plus 2m. Okay, and then we have the last one, 35 divided by 5, that's 7. So, plus 7. So, we have 5 times the quantity of m squared plus 2m plus 7. This is now the answer for our last one. So, now, we have here 2n raised to 3 plus 4n squared minus 8n. You try to do this, ha? You show your solution and then comment it in our comment section. And please don't forget to follow our page and share our videos. At laging tandaan, mag-aral ng mabuti!